What's up, you guys? Hope you are doing good and welcome to our Dream Dot channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. In our channel, we have been trying to cover the basics of Java programming. If you're interested in learning Java from the fundamentals, don't forget to go out and check out our videos related to Java programming. In our recent past videos, we have been discussing about data types, variables, and operators in Java. In this video, we are going to talk about, specifically about assignment operators in Java. The previous video we spoke about arithmetic operators. If you missed it, you can go and check it out. And what are the various assignment operators that we have in Java? Let's see it practically with some examples. The various assignment operators available are equals, plus equals, minus equals, asterisk equals, slash equals, and model like percentile equals. For demonstrating it out, let's try to create a new class. So new class for demoing this one. So hello assignment operators. Hello assign. Forget to check it the public static void main. So here they are going to make use of two values like int num1, let the value of num1 be 100, and int num2, let the value of a num2 be 10. And first let's talk about the assignment operator. So assignment is nothing but, like, without your knowledge you would have already seen equal to is what is called as an assignment. Like when I use equal to, the value on the right hand side will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side. That is what is called as assignment, and equal to is the assignment operator. Suppose here if I try to print in num1, the value that gets printed is, when you run this program as a Java application, so num1 gets printed as 100 because 100 is the value which is getting assigned to the variable num1. So this is the first assignment operator which is available in Java. So next we have one other operator called as a plus equals. So what is a plus equals? Like num1 plus equals num2. Okay, and when you try to print num1 right now, so let's see what gets printed. It gets printed as 110. So what is the meaning of a num1 plus equals num2? The meaning behind this particular thing is num1 equals num1 plus num2. So this is the meaning of a plus equals. If you give plus equals, it means num1 equal to num1 plus num2. So that is why num1 is 100, num2 is 10. So you are getting 100 plus 10 as 110. It can even be num1 plus equals num1. So then it becomes num1 equals num1 plus num1. So now the value will be, when you run as a Java application, you get it as 200 because 100 plus 100 equals 200. So for understanding purpose, let's keep it as num1 plus num2. And similarly, we have one other operator called as num1, like minus equals num2. So let's try to print this particular num1 right now. So when you run this as a Java application, so the value getting printed as 100. So what is 100? So here, after executing this particular part, num1 value has become 110. Num1 value has become 110. So the meaning behind this one is num1 equal to num1 minus of num2. So this is the meaning of this particular operator and the operation. So num1, after executing this particular part, num1 has become 110. So 110 minus 10 will be equal to 100. So that is why 100 has got printed for you. And similarly, we have one other assignment operator called as asterisk equals num2. So let's try to print num1 right now. So now if you try to print this particular value, the value gets printed as 1000. So the meaning for this is, as said earlier, it's going to be num1 equals num1 into num2. So this is the meaning of asterisk equals. So after executing this particular statement, num1 value has become 100. So now num1 equal to 100 into 10, which is nothing but 1000. And there is one other operator called as num1 slash equals num2. So let's try to print this particular value num1. So if you run this particular program, now the output will be 100, which is nothing but the meaning of this is num1 equal to num1 slash num2. This is the meaning of this particular statement. So at the end of this statement, we had num1 as 1000. So 1000 divided by 10, you got it as 100. So these are the basic assignment operators which are available in Java, and these are all the hidden meanings of those assignment operators. First, equal to means assigning a right side value to left side variable is called as an assignment operator. Then we have plus equals, and this is the meaning of plus equals. Minus equals, this is the internal meaning of minus equals. Star equals, this is the internal meaning of star equals, and we have slash equals, this is the internal meaning. Hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions related to assignment operators further, don't forget to comment it out in the comment section. If you found this video really helpful, give this video a thumbs up. We'll meet you in another video soon. Thank you.